last lecture we have to see the connective conditioner or implication. In this lecture we have to see that biconditional or double implication, that is double arrow. Let the simple statement P and the simple statement Q be two simple statements. P and Q are the two simple statements. Then the compound statement P, if and only if Q, is called the biconditional and is denoted by P double implication Q or P double implication Q. Of this type, two types, P double implication Q or P double implication Q. It is read as P implies Q. It is read as P implies Q and Q implies P. If and only means P implies Q and Q implies P. We have to give one two simple statement. Get the compound statement and the connective will be if and only if. The truth values of the biconditional P double implication Q or P implies Q depends upon the truth values of P and Q. P implies Q, the value of the P implies Q, that is the compound statement, its truth value is depend on P, the truth values of P and Q. Consider the following biconditionals. Consider the following biconditionals. First, 3 points are collinear if and only if lie on a line. 3 points are collinear if and only if they lie on a line. Second, 3 points are collinear if and only if they do not lie on a line. Third, 3 points are non-collinear if and only if they lie on the line. Fourth, we know 3 points are non-collinear if and only if they do not lie on the line. In last connective or other connectives, we have seen T, first simple statement true, second simple statement true, first simple statement true, second simple statement false, third, first simple statement false, second simple statement true, and fourth, first simple statement false and second simple statement also false. Of these types, these 4 points are given. Then that 1 and 4 are true, 5, 2 and 3 are false. In the biconditional statements, first statements, that is 2 simple statements are true and fourth will be 2 simple statements are false. In two cases, the conditional statement, biconditional statement or compound statement are true. In other two cases, the biconditional statement is false. We have to see the truth table for biconditional. Truth table for biconditional. We know the first column P statement, T, T, F, F. Second column Q statement, T, F, T, F. Then the biconditional P biconditional Q. P implies Q. Two statements are true, then biconditional will be true first. Fourth, 2 statements are false, biconditional will be true. In other two cases, T implies F is F, F implies T is F. Of this type, we have to write truth table of the biconditionals. We have to give one solved examples of the type Biconditional will be first example will be transform the following statements in symbolic form. We have given statements, compound statements. We have to write these compound statements in the symbolic form. We have given this simple compound statements will be in biconditional. First statement: a triangle is equilateral. A triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. If a triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. We know the if and only if will be biconditional connective, right? Then first simple statement: a triangle is equilateral. Second simple statement Q: a triangle is equiangular. Then the connective will be biconditional, that is implies. Therefore, then the given statement in the symbolic form is given by P double implication Q. P implies Q, right? Next, second compound statement: Hari is rich if and only if he owns a car. Connective will be biconditional, that is implies if and only if. Therefore, first simple statement: Hari is rich. P. Second simple statement Q: he owns a car. Therefore, the given statement is symbolic form will be P implies Q. P double implication Q. Next, write down express the following statements in symbolic form. Express the following statements in symbolic form. First simple statement, first compound statements: if boys are playing, then they are happy. First compound statement will be if boys are playing, then they are happy. If then will be which statement? Conditional statement. This is conditional statement. If then is connective, therefore this statement will be conditional statement. Therefore, first simple statement: boys are playing. P. First simple statement: boys are playing. Next, second simple statement Q: boys are happy. Boys are happy. Therefore, the given statement is symbolic form. If then, conditional statement implies implication. Therefore, P implication Q. P implication Q, that is P conditional statement with Q. Right? Next, compound statement will be standard of living goes up. Standard of living goes up if and only if income increases. Connective will be if and only if, that is biconditional statement. Therefore, we are right. First simple statement is P. The standard of living goes up. First simple statement P is the standard of living goes up. Second simple statement Q: income increases. Income increases. Therefore, the symbolic form of this compound statement is P implies Q. P double implication Q. Next, statement 3: I shall play provided I finish my studies. I shall play provided I finish studies. Given statement can be written as, this statement can be written as, if I finish my studies, then I shall play. If I finish my studies, then I shall play. Therefore, first simple statement is I shall play. Q finish my studies. The given statement is Q implication P. Q implication P. Next, number 4. Visiting Himalayas. Visiting Himalayas implies peace of mind. Visiting Himalayas implies peace of mind. Number 4. Given statement can be written as if I visit Himalayas, then I will get peace of mind. Therefore, first statement, simple statement P, I visit Himalaya, Q, I get peace of mind. Therefore, the given statement in logical form P implication Q. P implication Q. Next, example number 5. A person is happy. A person is happy if and only if he is successful. A person is happy if and only if he is successful. Therefore, if and only if connective will be if and only if. Therefore, this compound statement will be conditional by conditional statement. This compound statement will be by conditional statement. Therefore, first simple statement is a person is happy. A person is happy. Q. Second simple statement, a person is successful. Then given statements is P double implication Q. P double implication Q. Next, example number 6. Vinay neither plays football nor tennis. Vinay neither plays football nor tennis. First simple statement P, Vinay plays football. Q, Vinay plays tennis. Given statement in symbolic form is negation P and negation Q. Neither nor a symbol, negation P and negation Q. Next, express the following statements in symbolic form and write their truth values. त्या ठिकाणी तुला एक्झाम्पल वाढलेला आहे. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म हे आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर राईट इट्स ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज. फर्स्ट कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट इफ x is equal to y, if x is equal to y, p statement, then x square is equal to y square. या ठिकाणी first simple statement P is x is equal to y. Q simple statement x square is equal to y square. If then I, that is conditional statement or implication. This is conditional statement. If then असल्यामुळे हे conditional statement आहे. The given statement is P implication Q. Given statement is P implication Q. If P is true, then Q is true. If P is true, the x square x is equal to y असेल तर x square is equal to y square असेल. म्हणजे जर स्टेटमेंट P ट्रू असेल तर Q पण ट्रू असणार. Therefore, P implication Q is T implication T. First statement true आहे, second statement simple statement true आहे. Therefore, T implication T is T. Therefore, its truth value is T. We'll see compound statement. If x is equal to y, then x square is equal to y square. Its truth value is T. Second compound statement, we have to express two triangles have equal areas. Two triangles have equal areas only if they are similar. Two triangles have equal areas only if they are similar. The given statement is P implication Q. First simple statement P, two triangles have equal areas. Second simple statement Q, two triangles are similar. Therefore, the first simple statement, two triangles have equal areas. Truth value is T, implication F is F. If P is true, Q is F. That is, first simple statement is true. Second simple statement is false. That is, T implication F is false. Therefore, given compound statement, two triangles have equal areas only if they are similar is false statement. Number 3, minus 2 less than minus 1 if and only if I is a real number. Minus 2 less than minus 1 if and only if I is a real number. Given statement P if and only if I double implication, that is biconditional. The given statement is P double implication Q. Therefore, truth value of is T double implication F is F. That is, this statement is first statement. Therefore, its truth value is F. Number 4. If 4 is an odd number, then 3 divides 6. If 4 is an odd number, then 3 divides 6. Given statement is if then I, this will be conditional statement. That is, given statement is P implication Q. Therefore, the truth value of F implication T, truth value of this compound statement is F implication T is T. Therefore, the truth value of this statement is T. Stop here.